Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville Barista Espresso with us at the shop. And it came in because it was tripping the GFCI whenever it was being used. After taking it apart, we found that the solenoid assembly was leaking onto your machine, and then also we're having issues with water going to the group head, and the solenoid that goes to the group head was just not working. So we replaced the assembly and put new gaskets on it, made sure everything was working. And now, the machine wasn't brought with a portafilter, but we are just going to test water running. We're going to test the double shot here. We're going to let it run. As you can see, that's the pre-infusion, where it runs the pump a little bit less at the beginning for the first 8 seconds, roughly, and then it ramps back up. There you go. Let me turn that off. We're going to test the hot water, which comes out of this little spout right here next to the steam one. Then we're going to take that, move it out the way, and use steam one, just to make sure all of the operations are working. Alright, we're going to start the superheat. There you go. It's going to start running. That pump's going to kick on, and yeah, now you're going to get a steady steam. And that's about it. Just waiting for the pump to fully kick on. There you go. And that's about it for this repair. If you like the video or any of our repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.